In this video, I will tell you how you can get Discord Nitro for free without a credit card. Subscribe to this channel because if you don't, then you'll see a ghost at 3 a.m. First thing you need to do is click the link in description, and now you are on Swagbucks. You will need to simply log in, and then you will need to start playing games. Swagbucks will basically give you Swagbucks for every offer you complete. You will need to get 1,000 Swagbucks in order to get Nitro, and this will take like a week. You can either play games to complete offer or give answers in survey to get your Swagbucks, and once you have your 1,000 Swagbucks, you will be able to get a $10 Amazon gift card, and from Amazon you can buy a Discord Nitro gift which you can claim on your main account. You can also get Steam gift cards and much more stuff from Swagbucks. If you want to get Nitro Basic, then that will take you just 500 SB. You just need to spend 2 to 3 hours on this and you'll have Nitro in some days. Keep in mind that this method of getting free Nitro takes time. If you want to know some faster ways, then you can watch my other videos in this playlist. Subscribe to keep watching videos like these,